Welcome to the tutorial explaining the new custom properties feature of Accurity. This feature allows you to customize the detailed information you keep about every object type in Accurity. Custom properties allow you to customize the application according to your individual needs. They allow you to create several types of fields that add details to the objects that you want to keep track of, in addition to those provided by default in Accurity. Custom properties are sorted into thematical groups. To create one, navigate to Custom Property Groups in the menu and click the plus button in the top left corner. Name your custom property group and describe what this group of properties is for. In addition, you can also choose whether you want properties of this group to be immediately visible or collapsed in an object's detailed view. You can also specify in which order you want properties of each group to appear in an object's detailed view, if properties of several groups are attached to the same object. Now that you have a custom property group, let's populate it with a custom property. Navigate to Custom Properties in the menu and click the plus button in the top left corner. Enter a name and description of your custom property, and then select an object type this custom property influences. You can choose any object type, and it will be objects of this type that will be displaying whatever you create now in their detailed view. Next, let's select a property type. By default, you can choose from 3 basic custom properties, regardless of which Accurity price plan you are using. The text type allows you to create a simple and flexible free text field. The hyperlink type also creates a text field, but this one is intended for a URL. It will also add a button next to the text field that opens the URL in your browser when clicked. The enumeration type is used to create custom drop-down selections. To create one, find the enumeration options section in the property detailed view and click the plus button under the title to create and describe a new option for your drop-down selection. You may add as many drop-down options as you need. Apart from these 3 basic custom property types, there are also 3 advanced custom property types, which are only available to users with the Professional or Enterprise price plan. The number type creates a numerical field for codes consisting of up to 12 digits. The relation type allows you to create a custom connection between 2 object types of your choice. When creating a relation type custom property, you will need to select an additional target object type for your custom connection. Through this, the 2 object types will be referenced by each other. The date type adds a calendar widget to your selected object type and allows users to select a specific date. After selecting a type for your custom property, you must assign it to one of the custom property groups you created earlier. In any custom property, where there are multiple custom properties, you can set the preferred order in which individual custom properties will appear in the detailed view of objects. You can also toggle whether multi-selection is possible for this selection or not. If toggled on, you can add the same custom property to the same object multiple times. If your plan has access to the previously mentioned advanced custom properties, you will also be able to choose whether your property is mandatory for the object to be saved, and you'll be given the option to set a default value for this property. Default values are only added to objects created after the default value is set. If a property existed in the past and you already have objects using it, adding a default value will not change the already existing values in objects. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use the new custom properties feature. in case you want to know more about custom properties or another feature of Accurity, click the Help button in the top right corner to open the Accurity user guide. Feel free to contact us with any feedback you may have. We wish you smooth and efficient use of Accurity. Goodbye.